Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel, and today I want you to learn how to install one of the most famous applications to produce OSs, and that is VirtualBox. So VirtualBox is an application that can manage to try out new things that you want. For example, I have Windows and I want to try use different brands of Linux on it. So I will install the VirtualBox. So how we can do so is that you need to go to Google and type VirtualBox. And once you are there, click on download button. When you are on this page, you will click on of what OS you have right now. For example, if you want, if you have Linux, you will click on that.
Faites court.
You will still go to this link and you will click on accept and download their package, because when you download VirtualBox, it can be some issues that they are not updated frequently, and you will need to install one of their packs to even run it. So what we are going to do is you will need to find VirtualBox. You can find it on download by pressing files and download, or you will go where it in the download page is. So you will left click on VirtualBox, and you will have these options like click on next, accept their properties, and if you want to have like their new language, host only networks and so on, you can support it, and I will support it as well. Click on next. It will disconnect you from internet, and you will click on yes, next, and install.
Eternity later.
And once installed, that's it. It's pretty easy to download one of these launchers, and after this I will show you in the next video how you can download one of the OS you want to use. So see you soon. Bye.